Hello everyone and welcome back to New Tech. Today we are going to show you how to connect your Xiaomi Hey Plus with your phone. So first, grab your user manual and you have to find your code. So this is the Mi Home. This app is for all Xiaomi device. You can pair it with this code, but it's not gonna give you more option. You have to pair with this code. This is the app code. So now go and scan it. This is the link. You go there and it's showing us the app. So this is the app that we scan it, but it's all in Chinese. So we are going to show you how to download this app but in the English. But the English version, it's unofficial. It's not official from the Xiaomi company. So now to download it in English, you have to go in this page. This is the Android phone.us. Here we have the app and the update for firmware and new updates that comes only in English. So up here you have the steps how to download it, the app. This link you will find down in the description, and you can download your app for your device. So here we can see is the video how to update or firmware in English and download the new update. So this link will be down in the description. We already downloaded. So here is the app. We're going to click it and it's going to show us two options. This is the phone number and Mi account. You don't go to Mi account, it's not gonna work. So you go to phone number and you have to have an account with a Chinese phone number. So after you create an account with Chinese number, you have to go here and type your number and your password. We already got an account with Chinese number, so we are going to write it. So after we log in, it's showing us that we have to allow Hey Plus to access this device location, and we have to turn on your Bluetooth. Now it's sorting. So it's gonna take some time to find your device, and don't forget to turn on your location. Now you have to tap it. You have to have your device close to your phone. So now it's asking for allow to pair, and it's paired. Now it's going to show us some notification and menu, how to work, change page, go back, notification, and how to wear it. So this is the app in English. So in the top we have our steps. We have transport card, door card, dials, health, activities, notification, alarm, weather, and assistance. So here, if we tap it, it's gonna show us the walk, heart rate, and sleep. We can see in one day the distance that we walk and the burned calories. Here is gonna show us for one day the heart rate or in real time, and here is gonna show us the time that we sleep. And you also can go for days, weeks, or month. This is for weeks, statistic for weeks, and for the month. Same for the heart rate, week and month. Also with sleep. We have the average down here. Now we can go to keep the app running in the background. So here we can read how the app is gonna run. Now we go into transport card. So this is the transport card. It's only for China, and we are not using it, but we can see how it looks. Now we can go back. The same thing is for door card. It's only for China, or you can use it for an NFC. If you go here, it's gonna show us the themes of the Hey Plus. We can change it. We have five themes that we are installed, or we can go here and install more. Now we can go to health. It's gonna show the health option. We can go to activities. It's gonna show us the distance that we walked and the calories burned, run, and days. In the activities we have cycling and we have free training. We go to notification. We can customize the app. We want the notification to come. So here is we can turn on and off whatever we want. We can customize it. You can turn on for calls, and we allow it, and for message as well. We go to applications, and here we can put our application to notify us. You can go Instagram, Twitter as well. So now we have alarm. We can add an alarm here or in the phone. We go, the weather is only for China, and we can go to assistance. We can get some help. So now for the settings, in the top it's gonna show us the battery life. We can reach the goal that we write it, and the inactivity reminder. So here we have plenty of settings. Lift the wrist to view info. We can change it. We have slide up to unlock. It's on. We have heart rate detecting, band location, do not disturb. We can turn off and on. display settings. So here we can change how we like it. We can go to cards, but we are not using it. We go back to vibration, it's on. Display the battery, we can turn that on, it's saving. Now we have, for device, we have restore the device, we can restore it. In the bottom we have information for firmware version, Bluetooth address, and the ID. Here we have the unpair button. Now we have the menu for our account, our profile, third party data, background process, and about. So for the notification part, it's gonna show us the notification that we allowed in the app. Now let's see. Here is the notification, same in the phone. So this will happen in many different apps. Now, for example, if somebody calls you, it's gonna show in the smartwatch. Same as the phone, and the watch is gonna vibrate. You can stop the call here. So here is all for this video, how to connect your phone with your Hey Plus. Please subscribe our channel and turn the notification on. See you in the next video.